Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Debezium for PostgreSQL CDC into Kafka, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Debezium for PostgreSQL CDC into Kafka, start by ensuring you have a working PostgreSQL instance. Install Kafka and Zookeeper if they are not already set up. Download the Debezium connector for PostgreSQL from the official Debezium website. Extract the downloaded files to your Kafka installation directory. Modify the Kafka Connect configuration to include the Debezium PostgreSQL connector. Set the required connector properties in a JSON configuration file. Specify the PostgreSQL connection details, including host, port, user, and password. Define the database name and the tables you wish to monitor for changes. Set the Kafka topic where the change event records will be published. Include the necessary settings for serialization format, typically in JSON or Avro. Make sure to configure the key.converter and value.converter properties as needed. Adjust the poll.interval.ms to control how frequently the connector checks for new data. Save the configuration file and prepare to start Kafka Connect. Start Kafka and Zookeeper services using their respective scripts. Launch the Kafka Connect service using the command line, pointing to your configuration file. Verify the connector status in the Kafka Connect interface to ensure it is running. Check the logs for any errors or issues during the startup process. Monitor the specified Kafka topic for incoming messages representing PostgreSQL changes. Use a Kafka consumer tool to read the messages from the topic. Test the setup by making some changes in the PostgreSQL database. Ensure that the changes appear in the Kafka topic as expected. Adjust configurations as needed based on your monitoring and testing results. Document your setup procedure for future reference or team members. With these steps, you will have a working configuration for capturing PostgreSQL CDC events with Debezium into Kafka. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.